So I'm using the PDFill to secure my documents. So I'm going to use something that I've already started on. I saved this as a PowerPoint presentation, and now I'm going to save it again as a JPEG. And I click Save. And it'll tell me, I'm going to export all my slides. And it's done. So now I go out of here, and here is the PDFill PDF tool. So I go into Convert Images to PDF and click Add an Image. And it's actually something else. So let's go to More Valentine Math, and here's all my slides right here. I can click all of them very quickly and click on Open. It'll take a second, and then it'll line them all up in this box right here. Okay, it was not responding for a second, but it's okay now. So I did that, and now I click Save As. And this just sets them up so that they're in PDF form. So I'm waiting again. I'm not done yet. It'll show me how it looks in Adobe really quickly. And I rarely look at that, sometimes just to make sure everything fit on the page. I close out of this, and then there is a number 3 over here. It says Encrypt and Decrypt Options. Click on that, and I pick up what I just made into a PDF. And here is where you tell it what password you want to use and what options you want a person to have. So the owner password is the one that I'm going to change, and I always use the same password just to make it simple for me. And then when I read the directions on this, they said to uncheck the modify. They did not make specifications as to whether it was both modifies or one or the other, so I always just do both, and I don't seem to have any problems. And also copy. So after you uncheck those 3 items, go to Encrypt As. And this is where I always do, I always put in SD at the end of my document just so that I know it's secure, and save it. And again, it'll just take a second, and when it's finished, it pops up in Adobe again, and you can see up at the top here, it has secured on here. It actually attaches that to the file. So I don't even need to put in my SD, but it just makes me feel more organized. So that's all you need to use the PDFill or PDFill PDF tool. And the one that I have says is 12.0. It was